They're afraid we might feed the bears?
They must be concerned about bears. There's been a few signs. Bears are active. No food or drink on trail because they'll smell it and come on down. There's some, see the aspen, it looks like most of the
They're already
the leaves
done.
on the aspen trees are kind of,
They're done. Here.
yeah. We saw some on the drive. They were really cool, but we're not seeing, haven't seen many. Here's another one of our little signs. There she goes. Ooh. Oh, right here. I thought I was seeing a bald eagle, but that's just a seagull. Lake Tahoe is out over that direction. Last time we were here, see these, that's not very good. The aspens have some sort of disease look on them. Last time we were here, we were with a friend. He used to live in Colorado, and he said, see that stuff? It was, all the leaves were green then, but it had that brown stuff on it. And he said it got some sort of disease. And when some of them get it, the entire area gets it for that particular season. And sure enough, and he said when they turn colors, they're not going to be as brilliant as most places. And see, he's right. These aspen, the aspens don't look very healthy in here, do they? I don't know where Mommy went. She went down in here. We're going down to see the fish mainly. It's so nice. Smells nice and clean and fresh air.
But it could stay along.
It seems like every time I come to Tahoe, I always like to stop at this stream profile and just walk around. See what I can see in here. Warning, bears are active. I want you to stay on the trail.
You gotta hold it underneath the fall.
Are you ready?
Not
No.
scoop it.
Are you ready? Wait, tell me when you're going to stick it under there.
Perfect day, too. Beautiful. I think they closed down for the winter, obviously. They don't have this open. Like after it starts snowing. Probably first part of November, they probably close this area, I think. What's out there? See, here's a little trail. This is probably like a beaver trail that goes through here. And we'll see some trees down here. Obviously, these are all aspens, and beavers love these. See, here's another area. Like something goes plodding through there. Okay, we're getting up to the creek.
Just that one little bend.
Hoping to see a lot of fish up here. This is the spawning time. I think they said 1st of October, all the way through October. I'm not seeing many. That's not very many.
No, it's not.
No, look,
Yeah,
down in the middle.
there's a little.
We'll have to walk up further. Hopefully, we're going to see a lot. I've seen it before where this whole thing has been
really
full.
got political because they just wouldn't take the time to review it to open it. There was tripping on down there.
Yeah, that's not very many at all. Good grief. Let's keep walking.
Hey man, have a good one.
Have a great day.
I'm disappointed.
Yeah, everyone is.
When are the fish?
Well, no, this is it. This is it.
This
It
should be
didn't
the
happen
peak right here.
last year either.
You're kidding. Because I've been here before where the whole
You like walk on it,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
yeah.
It hasn't been that way for the last 2 years since
Ah.
that drought. Yeah, look at the
Oh, that's kind of disappointing.
Maybe where these people are.
Well, I mean, there'll be some. There'll be some, but not like what it's been.
I think last year was even a little better than this year. I'm surprised.
Yeah, me too. I didn't walk down here.
I didn't. I saw more. I don't know.
There's a few, not very many though.
My jsme, no, tady jsme jenom jako navštěvili a jinak v Americe 14 let.
Not very many down there.
This is crazy. That's it?
See, there's this hooked jaw, that
Oh,
red
there
one
they are.
there.
Are they supposed to be spawning? Isn't that what they do? They come
Yeah,
up and spawn?
they're in this creek to spawn.
Oh, here.
See, yeah, see in here. They're here to spawn, and see some of them are starting to get white on them already.
Yeah.
They're already getting ready to die.
Poor little things.
You see over there?
Yeah.
There's two females.
Oh, I see what that is.
And
Is that a
then-
male?
Yeah, the male is the
That's the one with the big-
bright one.
There's two females that are
There's
trying
two
to get him.
females, and then they'll kind of swish around into the sand
To lay their eggs.
to
So
lay
you
their
can,
eggs, and then the male comes by. And, no, not the smaller here. Well, let's keep walking, baby. There looks like a beaver dam across there. Hello. It's still a pretty walk. And there's usually always lots of ducks, and there's a few up there when the fish lay their eggs, then they go around and they start eating the eggs. There's another little area there that the beavers have stopped up. See the ducks moving his feet down in the sand. He's trying to loosen up the sand, looking for fish eggs. Well, maybe we'll see some good trees on the way home, baby, and you can take some good pictures on the way home. We were hoping that all of these aspens were going to be still yellow and shimmery, but they're not. They're not. We saw all kinds driving up here along the freeway and stuff. Yeah.
Here, can you hold this for me?
Huh?
Can you hold this for me for a second?
What's?
Can you hold?
Oh, two ducks are fighting.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, something. This is what we were really looking for. These aspens. Look at the color on these, would you? See how they just shimmer? Isn't that cool? We're still driving around the lake towards Incline Village now. And we just saw these off to the side of the road. We thought we'd stop here. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's what she wanted to see was aspens. So she's seeing aspens.
Maybe not. Maybe this one. I already grasped.
We got that on video. Okay, can we go home now?
Did I get that on video? Sorry. Yes, we could go home.
Okay. Okay. Homeward, James. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.